Greetings, I'm Ms. Kingsley, and this video is about learning to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. I like to start with looking at pizzas. We all know most of the students I work with are familiar with pizzas. So here we go. It's fake pizza. I'm sorry, it's not a real one. But as you see, this is a pizza that has been divided into 4 equal pieces. So that's what a fraction tells us, is how many parts of the total number of equal parts of one whole. So this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Okay, let's say we're going to add 2/4 plus 1/4. Okay, I'm going to make that fourth go away. So if we have 2/4 of a pizza, and somebody comes along and says, oh, I can give you another 1/4, clearly we have 3/4 of a pizza. Okay, so let's look at this on a whiteboard. If we have 2/4 plus 1/4, what we're doing is we're adding the numerators, which tell us how many pieces. Now we have 3, and we keep the denominator the same. It's still fourths. It hasn't changed how many equal parts in one whole. So the mistake a lot of people make, understandably, when they're learning this, is they add the numerator and the denominator, and they get something that looks like this: 3/8. No, that is definitely not 3/8 of a pizza. Okay, let's take a look with another example. We'll look at 8s. Speaking of 8s of a pizza, and here we have 8s. I'm going to line them up so you see. This pizza was divided, this pretend pizza, into 8 equal sized pieces, excuse me. So the 8 in the denominator tells us that that is that each piece is one of 8 equal parts in the whole. Okay, so let's go to our problem. Our problem is 5/8. And I'm going to write this on a board at the same time. And we're going to subtract now 2 8s. I'll show you how it works with subtraction. Okay, so if I have 5/8 of a pizza, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s. And I give 2 8s to my friend. Let's look at it that way. How much do I have left? Right, 3/8. So again, what I did is I subtracted the numbers in my numerator and got 3. 5 take away 2 is 3, and my denominator stayed the same. I did not get 3/0. That would make no sense at all. Okay, so that's how subtraction and addition work with fractions. And it works the same if I just want to show you quickly on a bar model. So you see these in the textbooks a lot, and they're trying to show you that there are 5 equal parts in one whole. If I had the problem that was 2/5 plus 1/5, it looks like this. It would be 2/5 plus 1/5 equals, we're going to pick them up and put them together. It's going to equal 3/5. Again, our numerators we add, and our denominator stays the same. Denominator being the size of the piece, the numerator being the number of pieces. Okay, next it is going to be your turn. So hold on one second, I'll be right back. Okay, your turn. So hopefully you have a piece of paper, a whiteboard to work on. I'm giving you 6 problems. So the idea is you pause the video, work out these problems, and then come back to check your answer key. The answer key I'm going to provide you right now. So if you haven't done them, make sure to rewind, pause that video, and do those problems, because here comes your answer key. All right, there it is. How'd you do? I hope this made it easy and that this made sense. So again, remember, you can always rewind, pause videos, and so forth. Use them as a tool. So thank you, and I'll see you next time. Hope this was helpful. Bye.